Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening for you who are watching this video. This is my novel presentation video for extensive reading assignment. I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Vanilla. I am a 5th semester student of English Education Department at Syarif Hidayatullah State Islamic University, Jakarta, or UIN Jakarta, Indonesia. And this is my picture. In this opportunity, I would like to present my novel that I have read, and the title is Sofaholic Test the Note, that was written by Sophie Kinsella, and that was published by Black Swan Books in 2002, and the genre of this novel are romance and also comedy, and the number of the page is 394 pages. Okay, let's begin for the novel. Okay, I will begin from the main characters of this novel. First, Rebecca Bulmwood. Rebecca Bulmwood, or often called Becky, was a British woman. She worked at one of malls in America, especially in New York, as a personal shopper. Personal shopper is someone who advises the buyer some advice to buy a good quality product with the enough payment. And the second one is Luke Brandon. Luke Brandon was Rebecca's or Becky's boyfriend. He'll stay in the same apartment with Rebecca in Manhattan apartment, and he was an owner of PR company, the big company in New York, and he was a rich man. And the third one is Suze. Suze, as Rebecca, she was a British woman. She was the best friend of Becky, and she lived in England. And the last is Eleanor Sherman. Eleanor was Luke Brandon's mother, but when Luke was a child, she left Brandon and his father, and she divorced with Brandon's father and married with other men. And Luke met Eleanor when he was a man, when he had have 10 years old. Okay. How about the story? We can read this. Okay, the story began with the preparation of Rebecca being a bridesmaid in her best friend's wedding, in Sue's wedding. Rebecca, or often called Phoebe, was preparing herself to be a bridesmaid in Sue's and Tarquin. Tarquin was Becky's best friend also, and the wedding will be held in England. Rebecca then went to England with Luke, and there they both of them never talk about being married. So when Rebecca knew Suze wanted to be married with Tarquin, she thought that why she didn't marry with Luke, but Luke never talked about it to Rebecca because Luke was workaholic. He loved his job as a PR company, and the getting married was the bottom agenda of his life. Here, the agenda of Luke, what is that? Working, and getting married. Getting married is in the bottom of his agenda. So Rebecca wasn't brave to talk about getting married with Luke, because Luke also didn't interest with the topic. And in the Sue's wedding, Luke met Rebecca's parents, and there the mother of Rebecca asked Luke where he would propose Rebecca. And then look, they couldn't answer anything. And so did Rebecca, because they never talk about it, and they just answer it with smile and silence. But surprisingly, after the ceremony of Sue's wedding, Luke proposed Becky in Sue's wedding party. Yes, when the ceremony had been finished, Sue wanted to throw her bread flower, and she asked Becky to stand in front of the pools, and she threw the flower, and just Becky, who the only one who stand in front of the pool. No other bridesmen who wanted to catch the flower, and she was so surprised to see there was a ring in the in the flower, and also a piece of paper that was written by word, "Will you marry me?" And that flower, ring, and piece of paper was sent by Luke. Okay, in this time, they are engaged, and they prepare to getting married in 22 June. The mother of Rebecca was so enthusiastic to make this preparation, to make her beloved daughter preparation. Even she had planned a cherry tree since Rebecca was a child to be the background of Rebecca's wedding party, and Rebecca's mother wanted Luke and Rebecca getting married at England in her parents' garden. Uh, Rebecca, Luke, and Rebecca's mother and father talked to Eleanor, Luke's mother, to plan the preparation of the wedding. But Eleanor seems didn't care with this preparation, so they thought that she didn't care, and she left the preparation to Rebecca and her mother. Okay, but there's something happened. In the next day, Eleanor called Rebecca, and she had she ran some wedding organization to make a big party, a luxury and glamour party for Rebecca's and Luke's wedding. And it made Rebecca was so confused. What should she choose for her wedding? This is the choice. In Mom's version, Rebecca would wear a simple dress. It was her mother's dress, and then simple cake with standard taste, and it will be held in garden. Whereas in Eleanor's version, Rebecca would wear a glamour wedding dress, and a very delicious, expensive, and luxury cake, and a very luxurious place in Plaza, the biggest hotel in New York. And Rebecca did not want to hurt her mother because her mother was so enthusiastic to make this party. Rebecca actually had tried to talk to her mother that she chose Eleanor's version, but her mother always cut her speech, so there was no opportunity anymore to talk to her mother. And she loved Eleanor's version, but there was something happened. Eleanor thought that Becky wanted to marry to Luke because of money, and it made Rebecca angry with her because he wanted to married with him because of love, because he was comfortable with Brendan. And then Rebecca tried to cancel the Eleanor's version, but it's too late because the preparation almost finished. And if she canceled the wedding preparation, she might pay the penalty as $100,000, and it was a big money. But fortunately, the relationship between Luke and Eleanor became worse because Eleanor tried to make a scandal behind Luke in his PR company, and then Luke canceled the wedding preparation by Eleanor. But Becky felt so sorry because she didn't want the relationship between Eleanor and Luke become worse. So she asked Luke to say sorry to Eleanor. And then, and how about the wedding party? Yes, Luke and Rebecca make the wedding party in two places in a year, in a day. I mean, how? Okay, in the morning they go to the plaza to make a party there, and after the fake ceremony, I mean the fake ceremony, they fly by plane. The plane is Rebecca's customer's plane, and they fly to England to make the truth ceremony, wedding ceremony, and then they make a fake wedding in the plaza and the real wedding in Rebecca's garden in England, and then finally they getting married and become a real husband and wife. Okay, that was the ending of this novel. The part I like is when Rebecca tried to persuade Luke to say sorry to her mother, because in this part Rebecca is so wise. She know that her problem about the wedding had been solved, and she didn't like Luke's mother Eleanor, but she tried to recover their relationship. And the ending that the part I dislike most is when Eleanor tried to blame Rebecca because the relationship between Eleanor and Luke become worse. I don't like this part because who do you think she is? It was her fault. And Rebecca actually tried to make them being better son and mother. Okay, that's all from me. I like this book because the story is funny and the romance is so touching, and I recommend this book for all buddy who wanted to enjoy reading. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Thank you for watching, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.